What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use XAMP, show you where it is, turn on the Apache web server, the database. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to your applications in Finder, go to applications, this may take a while, then go on XAMP, so it's here, there it is, click this, go to XAMP files, click this, enter in your password, and then you should be given with an application loader, whatever it's called. So if I get out of this, and there it is, application manager, go to manage servers. Now turn on all the MySQL database, the Apache web server, start all. This usually takes about 30 seconds to start. Okay, that's all running. Now I can go to localhost. There you go. Now you go to phpMyAdmin, click that, and you are good to go. You can make tables, use these tables in any way, make a database. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.